Ever wonder what to take to the hospital when visiting a mom and a baby? Most people take a sweet gift for the little bundle of joy. But what about the mom? She usually gets flowers or balloons. Pretty, but what about something little more useful? Most moms, new and experienced, take a bag full of necessities to the hospital. This is where this gift idea comes. Why not take a pretty bag full of thoughtful survival items? So I made this fun little kit for a friend of mine who just delivered a baby last week, and I may put everything in this cute little basket which is reusable. Then I lined it with cute little pink tissue paper. It's a little crinkly because I was trying to fix it in there. And then first thing which goes in this basket were cozy socks with all sorts of new sensation running around. One common labor complaint is cold feet. And these socks are essential and tend to be one thing which mama to be wished they had in their bag. And then the second thing which is going in this basket is this tumbler where you can infuse your fruit. I think after the labor and for nursing, she has to keep herself hydrated, so that could be something thoughtful and useful. The third thing which I put in this basket were these candies in this cute little box. Since it was February, Valentine's were coming, so I found this cute heart box which she can keep in the hospital for her guests which are coming to see her new baby. And of course, after all she went through, she needs some candies and a treat too. So next very thoughtful thing which I think she needed badly after the labor were these tea bags. I know this is her favorite tea, so I added that in the basket. And then I added this little bottle of moisturizer to keep her hands soft to hold that baby soft newborn. And then with the new baby in your hand, it's easy to forget that hot mama needs a little loving too. And after a long hard labor, she can spoil herself with this makeup bag. And then actually you take more photos this day than any other day in your life. It doesn't hurt to have a little something to freshen up. Remember, pictures last forever. And then I added this box of tissue paper. I know there'll be some tears of frustration, exhaustion, tears from pain, and tears of joy. And then in the end, I added this little handy box of Advil. If everything fails, these work. I say take two. This is self-explanatory. So these are all the goodies which were going in the basket, and with that I added this little printable. I leave the link down below if you guys want to see it, and it just have little note about each and everything which is going in the basket. And then I have this shrinkable wrap. I found it at Dollar Tree. I can use it to wrap the whole big basket in there, so that's why I picked this up. I have this cute baby shower card, and I'll be using pink and jute twine to wrap these presents. And these are the few goodies which I picked up for the baby. These are too cute, so I thought to share it with you guys. This is little me toy blanket. This is little owl which has two hands. One say I crinkle, one say I squeak. So this is so cute, soft, pink and cuddly. Then I found this very useful wearable blanket. Oh my god, when I saw this, I thought that's perfect for the babies. They always bring their hand and feet out when they're sleeping. So this is perfect for the baby, and I picked up a little small medium size so she can use this after. And then it has cute butterfly and flowers and pink. And then I picked up this cute little pink dress for her. Let's come back to our basket, and I arrange everything according to its size and how it's more visible. So this is what I'm doing. And then I inserted this printable at the back of the basket, and then I used my shrinkable wrap which I just showed you guys and wrapped my basket. Then I found this printable online. I will leave the link down below if you want to use it. It comes in pink and blue, and it comes with this little tag as well. So here's my survival kit ready for the baby shower, all tied up, packed and bought. The perfect gift for the new mom. I love the idea of gifting the mother things for herself. And the best thing is you can make it as big as you want. You could do a couple of things or several. It really is so versatile, creative, and easy. And how fun it would be to do a separate kit with essentials for the father-to-be. I know my husband would love some gift cards for to his favorite fast food restaurant so he wasn't forced to eat the hospital food. What would you add to your hospital survival kit if you made one? Please let me know. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear that. And this is how her party area looked like when we decorated for her baby shower. And this is my survival kit right there on the table. All presents, cards, all the lovely stuff for her. And this is very cute onesie flower bouquet. My friend made it for her. It's her handmade thing. And then I made this dessert no bake banana split cake. I already shared the recipe. I will leave the link down below. These are all the dishes for her baby shower, and these barbecue rice were made by me. I already shared the recipe for that as well. I'll leave the link down below. And once again, thank you so much for watching.